and from viewers like you. Thank you.
Nothing can stop us now. Tally-ho!
Piracy is no nature cat. It is a serious crime to copy channels according to the copyright law. For more information, visit pbskids.org/naturecat. Turn off your TV. Hey, are you deaf or something? We told you to turn off your TV, and you still haven't? Please turn off your TV, or else we will give you more punishments.
Criminals are prohibited on NatureCat. NatureCat is made for good people on PBS Kids, not criminals like you. If you don't turn off your TV, you'll get squeaky from NatureCat jump scare punishment.